Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to verify identity in Cash App. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to verify your identity on Cash App means like give a KYC verification or tell that you are a genuine person who is using this Cash App. So first of all, you need to tap open your Cash App and simply tap on the profile icon on the top right hand side of the corner. So once you're gonna tap it in, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply scroll down. So once you have scrolled down to the accounts and settings option, you can find an option called security and privacy. So simply tap on that particular option. So once you have tapped on security and privacy as well, you will be now redirected to a different interface where you will be able to verify your identity. So once you are in this kind of interface, you need to tap on the identity verification section. Here there will be different kind of forms and documents where you need to give your information like your driver's license and different kind of stuffs to identify yourself as a genuine person and give your identification. So this is how you can verify your identity in Cash App. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.